I'm AJ and I am 12 years old, and here I have my mom with me who is going to help me unbox this robotics kit. Say hi, Mom. Say hi to the camera, please.
Hi!
Okay. So, here we have an IoT starter kit from Avishkaar. So, it seems like here you can code this maker board to do multiple things, such as make physical games, you can make a smart door, you can make a rain alarm, you can make a spy catcher, so it can sense things. So here it has a programmable board, actuators, and sensors. Now, what's interesting about this is it can connect to Wi-Fi, which is very, very interesting. Now, if we look at the back, here are some examples they have added. You can make a smart lamp, so when you click a button, it automatically turns a lamp from when you're far away. It has a boom barrier, which I think it detects if it bumps into anything. And in order to code the board, you have to download this Avishkaar Maker Studio to code the board. Now, you have to be 12 years old or older to use this. Well, recommended. And here's the good part. You can build over 100 projects. And you know what I think about when I use this? I will make something that can auto reset the Wi-Fi router because I don't want to go down every night to reset the Wi-Fi when me and my parents. No, I'm not scared.
Okay.
I just don't like going down because it's dark, and I can't see. So yeah, I can make an auto Wi-Fi resetter so I don't have to go down when me and my parents are watching a movie. So, let's open it.
Okay.
Okay, Mom, open it. Open the first.
Let's
see you open
giving me the honor to open his box.
Stop opening it so slow.
Because I want to make it slow.
Why? Fancy?
Yeah, it's fancy.
Okay.
Ayan.
Now, here's the box without the plastic. Very neat. Now, let's pull it out. Or push it out.
Can I have the box? I want to see.
Oh, it's so slow.
You're so slow.
Okay. So, this is the box. The inner box, it's also designed. Right? Very designed. Look at this. It has everything. The IoT board, the boards. Okay.
So this is like Scratch.
Yeah, here. It's like block coding. Okay, let's open it. We'll let you guys see this first. Also, the cameraman will see. So, oh wait, opposite way. Let's open. Please open.
Spy catcher. I like the spy catcher. Who's spying on me? Are you spying on me?
No. Ooh, okay. So first we have the manual. Look at that. Very nice. Very neat. It has almost the same as the front of the box, as you guys can see.
Okay.
All right.
I'm excited to open.
Wait, can we open the manual first? All right. So here's the manual. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there's lots of pages on what you can do with it. There's tutorials.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. So here we have the maker board. This is the box where the maker board is inside.
Are you open?
Let's see.
So this is so cool. You would be able to create 100
Woo!
things out of this.
Guys, look at this. It's inside a premium fancy box. Look at that. It's gold. Oh, maker board 2.0. Look, so nice. Okay, let's push it out, guys. Let's push it out.
Is it push out or open up?
Oh,
I think
open
it's-
up. Yo, it's magnetic. That's so cool. Stop
Okay,
calling
okay,
me.
open that.
Okay, so we have some
I
more
can't
manuals. Let them see. So we have more manuals.
Okay.
The premium. What we've all been waiting for. Look at that.
Careful.
Doesn't that look so cool? Here are the buttons. There's some lights. You can see the symbols for what these do.
Oh, these are what it's here.
Yeah, okay. So this is the...
Can you read it for them? That's too small for them to see.
Yeah, it's too small.
Yeah. Read
So-
what's here.
So pretty much it tells us what is what this button does. So this is a button that activates thing. This is where you plug in wires and signals so they can send. Here we have a wire to charge
A
the maker board
buzzer.
and connect.
Okay.
Let's open this other box we have.
So what is that USB for?
I think it's either to charge
Oh,
or
yeah,
to connect
maybe.
to the computer. So here we have all the different electronics that are with this maker board. So let's open it.
Ah, okay. That's when you connect it to the computer, and I think for coding.
Yes. Okay, here we have a motor. Look at that.
It's too small. See how powerful
But it's
this
strong.
thing is? Yeah.
It's so strong for such a small motor. Look, it's got even blades. And here, here we have the sensors. It can see things, it can detect things, it can feel things. I think this one detects light.
It has a
This is
standoff, right?
This is very cool. Oh, and my favorite, the breadboard. Is this cool? Yes, it is. You can just plug in the wires instead of connecting. Very nice.
Okay. So
And
this
look
is
at this. Look how many wires we have. Wow. Look, so many different range of colors and wires. They're nice. Oh, these are lights. They have lights. Oh no, they're not lights. Okay. So here, this is the battery. Ma, this is the battery. So yeah, that one is to plug into the computer. So here it uses 4 regular AA batteries. And we have some resistors and some LED lights. They're color red. So we have resistors and we have the wires. Look, they're so nice. They're like so new. It's so ooh! It feels so good.
So these are okay. These are called the crocodile clips.
Yes.
So these are jumper
Now-
cables.
Yes.
Sensor.
We have these are jumper cables. Now
Yeah.
these they connect raw. They connect to here. Okay.
Yeah.
This is for the bread. This is for breadboard, and this is the breadboard. While these, I believe, connect into the holes.
That's the maker board.
Yes. So that is all for this unboxing. And in the next video, I will show you guys how I will be using this and how I will be coding it. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye bye.